Yeah, this is the software we talk about, and there is user ID and password for each user. Let's start the software. So this is the software, and these are the options of the softwares. So here in master we can add all the master entries like the company information, the TRN number, logo, address, everything we can add it here. And here we can add the users. Okay, and users, you will have all the users here. So this is the user we are creating: user ID, username, and password, and the authentication code. And this is the user group, which group this user should come, and the template and the dashboard, and we can give the access to the company. Once you create the user, then you can assign the permission to the user. So what all the permissions required for this user. So they can edit the company user, they can create the user, terminal setting, tax settings, then they can create the customers, they can create the suppliers, inventory part, what are the options they need, sales part, what are the options they need, they can edit the price, they can delete the item or so whatever. So all options we can set it here for that particular user. Then purchase, financial. So all the modules we can give the permission to the particular user. Okay, now we will come to the inventory part. Okay, here we are creating the categories, like see in your case we are creating the category like rabbit cages, then raw materials, water tanks. This all categories you can create here. Okay, and after that we can create the items for this particular category. Okay, I will show you an example. I create one these are the raw material. Yeah, all the raw materials you can add it here. So here the name will come. This is all dummy data, so we can add the actual data, like your what are the raw materials you are using for the your products, like water tank big. Okay, then the category we can create a category like rabbit cage water tanks. Okay, I create one category. So this will be what rabbit and what is the tax. Okay, then the barcode, this one we can create our own barcode, or you just press enter, the system will create automatic barcode. And quantity type, it's a pieces. Okay, one. And what is the cost of this water tank? Maybe 30 dirhams. Okay, and I will sell this my selling price for this water tank maybe 40 dirhams. Okay, yeah. Okay, and you can set the rack where the stock should be here, like your go down, main rack, showroom, like that. You can select the stock rack, then you can save. Yeah, after that, see, you can add the even raw materials picture also you can add, like see, it's a rabbit cage, sorry, yeah, water tank. So I'm just adding the image for this one, like barcode is water tank. Right. 54 53. Yeah, same like this. See, now here I added one rabbit cage photo. It's a finished product. This is another picture. Same way I can add like new water tank. Yeah, so water tank picture I can add it here. Save. Sorry. Then yeah, I will add food bowl. You can create other category. Okay, now I am not creating any category. Just the cost is 12 dirhams and my selling price 20. Save. Okay, now I am adding the image for food bowl. Rabbit food bowl. Okay, so this way you can create all the raw material items. Okay, and here you can find the raw material, all the raw material items here. Rabbit cage, water bowl, water tank, like that. Okay, now when you are searching, see, you can search the items like here bowl, yeah, food bowl. Okay, so you can send search by name also. Okay, like this. So you will get all the pictures here. You can add all the images of the your product, like this food bowl, rabbit cage, another cage, water tank, like that you can create also. Now we will come to the production part. Okay, now the material production. So here we are creating the item like a rabbit big cage. I give one model number, so and so. Okay, I will put the category rabbit cage, standard category, and barcode. We can create our own barcode, or you can just press enter. The system will create one barcode. Okay, pieces one, and price will be like 500 dirhams. Okay, the stock rack will be showroom. Okay, now I am adding the raw material for this cage. Food bowl, store, go down, one, cost, water tank, like this, one quantity. Okay, like this we can add all the raw material we are using for making this particular cage. Okay, and after adding all this we can save. So this product will be created using this raw material. Now we are coming to the sales part. When you sell, okay, for example rabbit cage, okay, this particular item. Okay, now 350 dirhams is the selling price. Now suppose what we discussed before, suppose this customer, they don't need all the items. Okay, they need to remove something. So I will just a shortcut key. When you click on that shortcut key, F9, sorry, Yeah, now we are talking about the sales part. Now I am selling this rabbit cage. So this customer, they don't need all the items we attached to this cage. So I am removing some items. So it will show whatever the materials used for making this cage. So customer, they don't want this what waste tray. Okay, I will remove this one. Now the cost will 235, and maybe this water tank, this customer, they not required. Okay, I will remove that also. Now the cost is 215. Okay, now I can reduce the price, like maybe 300 dirhams I can give. Okay, so once I added this, it will come, and here you can pay the customer how much customer is paying. Suppose he is paying 500, so 200 I have to give balance. Okay, when I press enter, it will save. Okay, if you want the printout, you can give, you have A4 printout, A5 printout. So I click on A4. Okay, now the invoice came. Okay, rabbit cage, 300 dirhams, tax, everything came. Okay, so this is the sales. So now we just see how to create the users, how to assign the permission for the user, how to create the category, how to create the item master and the raw materials, and how to make the production. Okay, and how to make the sales, and in sales how we are removing the raw materials, that is customer they not required. So sales also finished. Now that all sales you can see here. So you can see here all your daily sales. You can put the date. If you want to see the dates from this date to this date, you can see all the sales here. When you click on the invoice, you can see whatever the items you sold and how much is your total, how much the tax, how much the customer paid, how much is the balance, everything you can see here. Okay, and here you can see the OP summary, like daily collection. So here you can get a cash sale, how much, through credit card, how much sale, through credit how much, and how much sales return, how much total sales credit, how much tax collected, and how much Visa card, MasterCard, like that. So total collections, cash plus card, how much is your total collection for this day, and is there any expenses is there, that also you can add it, office expense, shop expense, telephone and internet, all expenses you will get here. So in one paper you will get all the information, like how much cash came, how much cash goes, and how much cash balance you have. Okay, so in this sales view screen you have many options, like you can see the summary of the sales, you can see the admin report little bit bigger. Here you can see like your profit, how much your profit for the for this sales. Yeah, this is the admin sales report. So here you can see all the your sales, and how much your tax, how much is customer paid, how much balance. Now this is your sales value, and this is your cost, and this is your profit. So each invoice, how much is your profit, you can see here, and down you can see that this is your profit. Okay, so this is all admin report, only administrator can see all this report. Okay, and there is many options also there. If you want to see a particular customer only, then you can choose the customer. So only that customer sales will come here. Okay, there is no customer like that. There is no customer like that. Okay. Yeah, Amana Healthcare. So We can choose any customer and you can see only that customer invoices. We can export this report to PDF, Excel, like that. Okay, so there is many reports is there. Item sales summary, item sales, like a particular item, how much quantity you sold. So like just see this item 2 quantity you sold, and this item 3 quantity, this item 320 quantity. So you can choose the date from this date to this date, how much user total quantity sales, all you can see here. And day summary, in day summary you will get a complete report, like a detailed report, like how much is your expenses, how much is your purchases, see all you can see here. Okay, now coming to the purchase part. Here we are purchasing the raw material. Okay, you can choose the supplier name, the invoice number, date, everything, and you can add here all the food bowl. Okay, you purchase 100 pieces. Okay, so water tank big, I purchase 20 pieces. Okay, then you can pay the supplier payment, or if you are not paying now, then later you can pay, then save it. It will come to your stock. Okay, and now if you check here, find items, food bowl, so you can see here, see 100 stock. Okay, now water tank should be 20. Okay, you can see here 20 pieces. So this is the purchase, and all the purchase details you can see here. Same like a sales view, we can see all the purchases here. Okay, each purchase you can see what are the items you purchase, everything you can see here. Okay, then the supplier payment, you can make the supplier payment here. See, these are their pending invoices. You can pay the supplier payment by cash, check, credit card, bank transfer, all options are there. Then your daily expenses you can enter here. Okay, and expenses like your purchases, your office expense, then the salary and the shop rent, taxi expenses, telephone and internet, vehicle, and bank charges, electricity and water, immigration expenses, all you can add it here. And bill number you can give. Okay, and the amount you can put it here. Then how you pay the expenses, cash, check, bank, credit card, whatever you can see here. Then update. Okay, then the reports you can see here, expenses report here, so you can put the date, you can click, you will get all the expenses like by group wise, activity expenses, credit card, commission, electricity and water, immigration expenses, office expenses, all you can see separate. And here you can get all the sales reports. There is lots of sales reports is there. Then the purchase reports is there. Then the suppliers payment information, customers receipt information, then the VAT reports you can see here. So you can choose the date, from which date to which date, so you will get all the VAT informations here, tax information, everything here. Then the financial, you will get your trial balance, income statement, profit and loss account, balance sheet, all you can see here. You can choose the date, from which date to which date you want to see the income statement. So it is income or loss, all you can see here. That you can add the if employees informations here, all your employees information you can see here. You can add all your employees here. Okay, then the inventory you can see there is a offer. What is the offer is there, offer template. You can make the offer same what we discussed last day. if you are giving some offer, like when the customer is purchasing two items, one item giving free, or maybe if they are purchasing one a particular item, you are giving water tank as free, like that's all offer you can create here. Okay, then you can see reorder leveled items, like when you are making the when you are adding the raw material, we are setting the reorder level. Okay, so here there is option. See, this is a reorder quantity. Suppose if you put 10 as reorder quantity, so when the stock comes to 10, you will get the report here, inventory reorder level items, you can see here. Now this stock report, you can see here, current stock report. So for go down, how much is your stock? For main, how much is your stock? You can click here. Here you will get all the stock report. Okay, each item, how much you have stock. Okay, and what is the stock cost value, what is the stock retail value, all you can see here. And financial, there is lots of options are there: vouchers, cash payment, bank payment, PDC, check payment, printing checks, customer's statement, supplier statement. And the dashboard, you can see the sales analysis, product sales analysis. You can see here product summary, profit summary. So you can see that which category is more profitable, demanding products, all you can see here. Okay, then the reports, many options are there. So these are the general options. There is lots of options are there. It's same like a mini ERP. So you can just watch this video and you can take a decision.